Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the Google TV streamer and why I think a new Chromecast is long overdue. With the current model being 6 years old, it's time for an update. The TV streamer is a great device, but it's not perfect. It's big, it's got some performance issues, and it's just not the best streaming solution out there. Let's dive in and explore why I think a new Chromecast is needed, and what we can expect from it. The design and build of the current TV streamer is one of its biggest drawbacks. It's a big box that takes up a lot of space, and it's just not as convenient as the old Chromecast puck design. I think a new Chromecast should go back to this design. It's smaller, it's more convenient, and it's just easier to use. The specs and performance of the TV streamer are also a bit of a letdown. The 2 GB of RAM is just not enough, and it's starting to show its age. I'm getting gray screens, slow loading, and app refreshes. It's just not the smooth experience I'm used to. A new Chromecast should have more RAM, a better processor, and just better overall performance. In terms of new features, I think a new Chromecast should have some exciting updates, maybe some new streaming services, maybe some better voice control, maybe some more customization options. There are a lot of possibilities here, and I think Google could really make some waves with a new Chromecast. There have been some rumors and leaks about a new Chromecast, but nothing has been confirmed yet. I think we can expect to see something soon, maybe at the next Google I/O, or maybe just a random announcement. Either way, I'm excited to see what Google has in store for us. The expected release date and price of a new Chromecast are anyone's guess, but I think we can expect to see it sometime this year, maybe in the summer or fall. And as for the price, I think it will be competitive with other streaming devices on the market, maybe around $50 or $60. In my verdict, I think a new Chromecast is long overdue. The TV streamer is a good device, but it's just not the best, and I think Google can do better. I'm excited to see what the future holds for the Chromecast, and I think you should be too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Outro music is playing, and that's it for today's video. If you have any thoughts on a new Chromecast, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.